Okay, so first we'll look at the excluded values. So that's where they get the negative and positive 16, because that would cause you to divide by 0, which we can't do. So I'm not sure what you were talking about on the negative 32, but I'm assuming you meant negative 16. But that's because that would cause the first one, the first fraction, to divide by 0, and then positive 16 would cause the second one. So you got to include both of those as your excluded values. So what we're going to do here is you have to get a common denominator, and the LCD is just going to be the product of our two denominators, x plus 16 and x minus 16. And so what we're going to do is introduce each part that's missing. So on the first one, let me color code this. So let's see, we start out with, we have 2x over x plus 16, and then we have plus x plus 16 over x minus 16. And so the first one we have to introduce is the x minus 16, and then you have to do it on bottom also. And then on top, we're going to have to introduce x plus 16, x plus 16, okay? Now we have that common denominator. They both have matching denominators. It doesn't matter the order that I have it in. One has x plus 16, x minus, and the other is x minus x plus. So it doesn't matter. Just pick one of them. They're the same thing. But what I do need to do here is I need to distribute here, and I have to FOIL over here, and then we're going to combine any like terms we have. Okay, so on top, let's see, we're going to have 2x squared minus 32x. And then when we FOIL here, let's see, x times x is x squared, and then we get a plus 16x, and then another 16x, and then 16 times 16 is going to be 256. And then that's all going to be over our common denominator. Okay. And then what we'll do here is combine our like terms. So we have 2x squared here, and we have a 1x squared here. So that'll give us 3x squared. Then we have a minus 32x, and then a plus 16x plus 16x. So if you look at that, if you add that all together, they all cancel each other out, actually. A minus 32x, and then plus 16 plus 16. So those all cancel out. And then that leaves us with the plus 256, and then all over our x plus 16, x minus 16. And that's how we get our answer here. And then, like I said, you just have to have that little caveat that of our excluded values, and you just look at the original problem to figure that out. And so there we go. Hope that helps.